So here we have these UltraGlass screen protectors. Looks like we got one screen here that's all ready to go and this pretty nice tool to help line it up. And then there's this scraper tool to help push out all the bubbles. Here's an envelope, and that must have the second screen protector in it. Yep, there it is, along with a couple packs of wipes and these papers. Well, seeing how this is all ready to go, let's go ahead and install it on my phone. All right, so first we're gonna open up a pack of these wipes, open up the wet wipe, gonna wipe it down like that. Next, we're gonna take this microfiber cloth and dry it off. Go ahead and peel this dust removal sticker off and get any last pieces of dust here. Looks pretty good. Now for the fun part, we're just gonna take this here and clip it onto the phone. Now it's as simple as pulling it off. Wait a few seconds for most of the bubbles to clear out. All right, now we can pull this off. Gonna use the scraper here to get that bubble out. And then go around the edges to seal it all down. All right, now that's looking pretty sweet. I got all the bubbles out and now it's ready to use. So let's go ahead and put my case back on and see how it fits. And that's almost perfect. The screen protector goes almost all the way up to the case. Also, the instructions say that when you're done, you're supposed to load up another one. So we're just gonna take the screen and put it through the tool like that and then clip in the top. Now it's ready for when we need it next time. And honestly, that was way too easy. I didn't have to worry about lining it up because that tool made it super simple. And there we go. Now the phone's protected from all the bumps, scrapes, scratches, and all the other things that happen with daily use.